6 reasons why your tribe isn't growing. So I have a question for you. Are you tired of spending so many hours a day posting on social media, on Facebook, and just getting no results? All you hear is crickets on your posts. Now, let's drop some truth bombs tonight and how you can fix this. So welcome to tonight's live, guys. I am Natania van Zyl. I'm coming to you from sunny South Africa, and I help network marketers build their businesses online by using attraction marketing. If you are hopping on live, please let me know where you're coming in from. And if you are watching the replay, please comment #replay. I would love to come back in and say hello. So, question. If you want engagement, what is the number one thing that you need on Facebook to get more engagement? If you know the answer, hop it down below because I would love to read all about it. Now, you need visibility. You need more eyeballs on your stuff. Whatever you do, your service, your products, you need more eyeballs on your goodies. And you need Facebook to actually show people that you have something for them to see and to look at. Hey, Yaku, thanks for hopping on. So, tonight, I want to share 6 tips with you which will help you grow your tribe. Now, the number one thing you want to do is you want to change your Facebook setting on your personal page from private to public. Now, I know this might be a pain for some people because a lot of people don't like being public on Facebook. You want to hide your kids, you want to hide your family, you don't want people to see too much about you. But if you are trying to build your business online, you need to set that setting to public. Now, what you can also do is after you've set that setting to public, you can then choose which posts are going out public and which you want to keep secret for only friends to see. So it makes it a little bit more, what's the right word? It makes it a little bit easier, to split the two, if I can put it in that way. So number 2 is 4 ways to generate engagement. There's so many ways that you can generate engagement. Now, one thing I want to mention, this is a total topic for a different night because it's very complex, but I'm sure you've heard about the Facebook algorithm, Facebook bots working in the background, checking out all your stuff, reading your videos, reading your posts. Now, the more you engage with other people, the more they will see your posts on their feed, and vice versa. The more they engage with you, the more you will see from them and they from you, if that makes sense. Now, the number one thing to get engagement is to engage with other people, comment on their posts. One thing that you should keep in mind is the Facebook like button, is now a blooper. If you like every single post you see, Facebook thinks you're like a little bit of a spammer, you only scroll your feed and like every single post, but that's not going to make you more visible. So using the love heart button instead, or any of the other emojis, puts you in a better position to be visible. Number 2 is to message people with no agendas. We as network marketers, I know back in the day that you always have this agenda when you contact someone. You always think about the sale or think about the sign up or think about them joining your team. But I've totally changed my route. Be genuine. Don't go in for the money. Don't go in for them signing up. Be real. Be authentic. Number 3 is wish them a happy birthday. Now, what you want to do is you want to do that the day after their birthday, because you know what it's like when it's your birthday. You get thousands of messages, and you just like every single post. Sometimes it's too hard to comment on everyone's post to say thank you. But if you do it the day after, it will give you the opportunity to actually have a proper conversation with this person, and they'll actually have time for it. So do it the day after the birthday. Number 4 is comment on people's story posts. So stories is the biggest the next biggest thing. Like after live videos, stories are definitely the big thing on Facebook. So when you comment or love or react to any emojis on people's stories, that automatically pops into their messenger straight away. So that gives you another opportunity to actually start a conversation and build that rapport. So number 3 is put value into the world. Join 1 or 2, maybe 3 at the most, Facebook groups. But Facebook groups is actually the people that you want to target, people in your niche, whether it's health, whether it's wealth, whether it's Bitcoin, it doesn't matter what it is. Make sure it's in your niche and, actually be active on the threads, comment on people's stuff, provide them with value, and really just cheer people on, so because that builds a relationship, that shows people that you're actually real. You're not just there for the money. Number 4 is keep it cool. Be authentically you. Like there's no one that can be youer than you. So be authentically yourself. And actually just friend request people that you want to follow and that you want to like actually talk to and build a relationship with. There's no point in filling your Facebook friends to 5,000 on your personal page and not actually engaging with all these people. So yes, keep it cool, be authentic, and actually just talk to the people that matters most. Number 5 is don't just scroll and troll. So make sure you're interacting with people. When someone does a live, love on it, comment on it, show people love. And because yes, there's a lot of people that just scrolls and trolls, likes every single post, or you never hear from them. So number 6 is don't be a spammy pammy pooper. Like there's so many people online that is just spamming their whole news feed. It looks like infomercials. It's product after product after product, before and afters. Join my opportunity, join my team. Like people don't go onto Facebook to be sold to. People like going onto Facebook to be entertained. It's like Kardashians, People want to feel entertained. They want to learn something from you. So if your wall looks like an infomercial, I promise you it's going to repel people. And people are not going to want to reach out to you to build that relationship because they're always going to think you've got this hidden agenda and you want to, rub your product in their faces. And they're not always interested, to be honest. Like, I don't know of any 6-figure earner in the industry. I'm not aware of anyone that's built a business by only marketing to friends and family. Like you come to a point where you need to broaden your horizon and actually learn how to reach out to people in the cold market. Now, I've got something massive for you, and it is at a discount at this stage. We have a massive live training this Friday, Black Friday, coming up. If you want to learn how to grow your audience online, how to influence people, and how to actually promote your goods and services to them, please reach out to me and I would love to supply you the link to read some more information of what is going to happen. It's going to be massive. It's going to be huge, and I can't wait because this really sets people up to a massive 2020. So if you have found tonight valuable, please let me know in the comments. And it has been lovely to be here with you guys. And I will be back online tomorrow night. I hope you have a lovely evening and yes, enjoy.